It's a good one. Cambridge scientists reckon they may have found good evidence for liquid water on Mars. It would be under the southern pole ice caps, and what they did to find it was they used NASA data from a laser altimeter on their orbiting global satellite to measure heights on this ice on the south pole of Mars. And what they found was a telltale dip followed by a swoop, which apparently is a common phenomenon in ice above water. And the reason this forms is that ice that has water underneath it has a lower friction between itself and the rock bed at the very bottom, so that as gravity acts on the ice, it kind of swoops over to one side, causing a dip followed by a rise. This matches both experiential data from Earth and experimental computer data that the Cambridge team ran using model simulations to ask what might happen if we put, a body of water under some theoretical ice. And the computer simulation spit out, well, it might dip and then swoop. So what do you reckon? You could be looking at one such body of water under frozen ice on the south pole of Mars. Now, this is cool for a couple big reasons. One, it confirms an earlier radar finding which had been brought into question because although it looked like it might be a blobby body of water, it could also be a signal of a reflective material that can be found elsewhere on Mars. So scientists had been looking for a bit of confirmation data, and they may have found it with this cool laser altimetry. Two, and really even cooler, Mars is very cold, so if there is in fact a liquid body of water under a bunch of ice on Mars, that strongly implies that the planet is more geothermally active than had previously been understood, which means there might be magma under the Martian surface. And that is really cool because it's just a fun finding, and also because there might be heat resources humankind can use for more civilizational infrastructure. Are you ready to terraform Mars? We're going to talk about it. We're going to go there. Do you have any specific questions? Please ask us and we'll address them or point you to where we already did in the future. Looking forward and up. Goodbye.